What is up, bass fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Welcome back to an all-new episode. I'm trying to pull up next to this dock here. Oh! Don't just break your boat, Luke. Guess who's back on Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors?
The guy who blows motors up. Look, it breaks windshields apparently. You know that was broke?
No, is it?
Yeah.
Where at?
Screws came out. They're completely gone over here.
No shit.
You've only got 2 screws in the whole windshield.
That's lovely.
Like,
Well, I guess my windshield was barely held on. You see it? Right there. All the screws came out of it, so Brandon's taking it back to the truck. So we're gonna go one windshield today. Anyways, we're gonna go out here in the Mississippi River, try to find some fish. I don't know, I got a feeling the old jerkbait might come into play today. Maybe swim jig, chatterbait, flipping, frogging, who knows, the whole works. It's late August. Actually, no, it's September. It's the very 1st of September, I think, and hopefully we're gonna get on that early fall bite. So stay tuned, donkey hunting starts right now. Yeah, this isn't really popping frog, but yeah, we both got a popping frog. Ooh, there he is. Yeah, he is. Oh, I'm stuck. There he comes. It's a freaking not a bass even. Come on.
there's a bass right here.
Still my first frog fish. We'll catch him. I'll eat him.
It's a big one.
Still my first frog fish of the year. Is he still there?
Yeah, he's here. I don't have anything small enough for him.
He'll eat that. Oh, that got me excited. First frog fish of the year. Get in there. He started pulling it down. Yeah. Probs. There he is. It's a freaking bass.
Bassosaurus.
You're welcome. There he is. Look at that hog. Woo! First bass on a frog this year. September 1st. Same frog I won the Angler X on last September. That guy was way back there. Frog. Now they won't. Well, there you go. Yahoo for school.
Oh shit. Allows me to go fishing. Good grief. He wasn't coming off. Need the pliers. Oh, there it popped it. Should keep.
No! No way!
Dogfish! No bass.
Nice. Let's get a good look. Let's get a good look-see at that frog you got there, Brandon. What is this? Explain it to us.
Well, it was going to be a big secret, but...
A big secret, okay. You want me to...
This is...
Tell us what you got there, Brandon.
Well, it's an amphibian type bait that might get used as a bobber later because of its high visibility.
Good hookup ratio, apparently.
Oh yeah, I gotta take a picture.
Yeah.
I've been throwing this frog for a long time.
The spro flamingo. Let me see a look at it.
We're on a...
Woo!
What's going on today is it's a pink flamingo bite. You know, the conditions, it's just right for it.
That was awesome. Whoa! The spro flamingo frog. Getting her done. Getting her did. It's out in the middle. I think, wasn't it? Or well, yeah, I was right by that pad, I guess.
I don't think they're following them out. I think they're just hanging out underneath these pads.
Sure.
They want to come up for it though.
Yeah, they do.
There we are.
Shimano brakes. Ah! Every pad has one by it.
Yep.
Hey, I landed that one. That was probably close to 2 pounds.
Pound
and a half, that one. Solid starter fish. Right in the top of the Nergan. You betcha!
It's just right here.
Wasn't sure if he had it or not.
I'd say he got it. Can't even see it.
Down the gullet.
They're point.
Down through here.
Is he back in the duck loop?
Shabba dabba ding dong.
Hey, did you know that choosy moms choose GIF?
Do they? My kids' moms choose Great Value. I might change my name to Jeff. That way choosy moms choose me.
I mean, really, it only makes sense.
Move up or
I don't know.
move back or hit it from that side? No.
I like hitting it from all sides.
Hit it from the...
I did kind of want to go up. I mean, we can go up for a little bit, another 100 yards or so, and see what happens. If nothing else, we'll come back out here.
Woo! Got him. The old back.
Would you flip back in there?
Yeah, flipped the wacky worm back in there and picked him up.
No, you didn't. You caught him.
I did. Did you hit my button by chance?
Probably.
Other side.
I wasn't in there.
Oh, really? Wag your tail once you know it's in your lips. We should start keeping minerals in here so everything gets fish. We got thank you, buddy. Give him minerals. Jesus Christ! He had it and I didn't even know it. Barely made a. Did you even see that?
No.
I seen a little ring around my frog and then all of a sudden it was pulling away from me. Aww.
You would have grabbed.
It's a bad thing about fishing these ribbit frogs. Creatures come get them. Well, that brings us to an end of another video, folks. We're gonna pack it up and head in for the day. Kind of a brutal day fishing. It's been pretty tough. Pretty tough bite. We have found some fish. I don't know, biggest 5. We probably have 9.5 pounds. Nothing outrageous, and pretty much everything has come on the old frogger-doodle. First time I've caught fish on a frog this year. Unbelievable, and it's September already. But yeah, I was using 2 different frogs today. I was using a Spro bronze eye, white, I think color. It was a popper, and then of course the ribbit frog here that you've seen me using here towards the end of the video. We did pick some up on a wacky worm. Did you catch one anything else but a frog, Brandon?
Buzzbait.
Buzzbait, couple on buzzbait. Seemed like they wanted to come up today. So the rivers went up a couple feet since the last time I fished, and it is really muddy. We found 2 bays that are pretty clean. The first bay we started in was really clean, and there were some fish in there, a few. And then second spot we went to was terrible. It was really muddy. We got to the back of it and it wasn't too bad. And then this bay here where we're finishing up, not too bad at all. Stupid Luke today forgot to bring all his batteries for my GoPro, and I only had 2 batteries. That died. Them 2 batteries died in our first spot. Then I had to use my Hero Session, which has no mic on it, so I apologize for that audio. And then that died, and I did find I had my power pack, but I could only charge 1 battery at a time from the camera because my power pack charger is at home. So I had that plugged in and it charged it up, but my GoPro would not turn on. And I've noticed that the Hero 9 does not like to heat. It overheats and then it shuts itself off, and it sucks. It's a great camera, but that feature is terrible. Anyways, if you have not yet subscribed to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, go ahead and do that right now. Hit the bell to get notified every time we put out a video. Clobber that thumbs up. Luke and Brandon signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat to fish.
Holy moly.